So if we promote any videos on Twitter, this call we can using for two methods. So first you can select by any video. On the option, select by the add photo or video. In this call, what are the video picture will be there? They can call your cover picture. Suppose that video we can promote it for multiple thumbnails. Multiple thumbnails. Here I'm not using any kind of tools. I'm not using any kind of third-party websites. First you can using here. Just copy this any video. Twitter support only for 2 minutes 20 seconds video only. Twitter support only for 2 minutes 20 seconds. More than 2 minutes 20 seconds it will be not supported. So this video I'm uploading here. Just you can drag your video. So automatically the video uploading for in this screen. Just upload it and here. So what are my cover picture? That your cover picture will be here. So we can't add your own cover picture. Yes or no? So that is called with the first option. Same video you can promote him for your own thumbnail. That is purpose. We can go option call is in this Twitter ads. When you go to Twitter ads, here will be showing for promotion option. Here. This is mean by Twitter cards. This is mean by Twitter cards. Select it. Here two reasons we can promoting for. One is called they promote your video and promote your website also. In this select for cards. Go to card library. So a lot of people are getting confused. So many Twitter is not enabled this option. This option enabled for when create your Twitter ads, automatically enabled by this option. So if you not enable, we can wait for enable time. Let's go coming to card library. In this video, website card library. In this you can select by your headline, upload your video. This support only for file here, MP4 file here. So could not will be upload your file. Just can cancel it. So the ratio will be not supported. We can go for another video. Select it. So this is any video, just simple you can add it here. Just search your video. Or else select your media library. Uploading video. The starting for processing your video. When processing will be done, the showing your video file will be here. Here video is uploaded. Now click for tweet. Is only accepted by your video only. So I'm not looking for video purpose. I'm looking for video with my website. Go back. Cancel it. Select here. Video card. Browse video. In this select option will be not working here. So leave it from this. So it's a phasing problem. Just tweet. Add your option. In this, open your website. Open your website. Copy for health tips. Copy the URL. Add it. Write down health tips. The benefits. Now click for tweet. The tweet done by your Twitter account. How many tweets are there? Previous 3339. Now click for tweet. Scroll down. Here's my video. And here's my website link. We'll promote in two ways, but here is not working for in this option. Once the working option will be done, can promote will be website link in the video below website also. Now here we can promote for my video and my website link also. This is called you can promote any videos on your Twitter account. One is called using for cards. Second we are using for direct posting for Twitter profile post option. One is card library. Second will be Twitter tweet post option. So this is called promote your videos along with the website URL and you're using for video option for your Twitter account.